everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lydia and welcome to Lydia's Kitchen. So today we are making homemade bread. So let's get into it, shall we? These are all the ingredients I'll be using. Let's get started. At this point, everything is looking all fine. Like how I'm making a YouTube video. It's 1st of January, right? So let's get into it. All jaded up and all happy. Then suddenly I realized something. My bowl is too small. I'm like, how am I going to make a messy YouTube video of this bowl? Then I stopped, and this is just the end result. I'm like, I've invested too much energy into this for me not to post, thinking of what you guys will think, but no, I'm still going to post it so that you can know that we all start from somewhere, right? And there's a beginner for every expert. Yeah, we are once a beginner in everything. And cheers to you, happy new year. Like I'm posting this anyway. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if it's a good move or I should perfect it before coming online. What do you guys think? Do you know we all learn every day? And someone somewhere that is an expert was once a beginner. What do you think? Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.